Hey everybody, Austin here, Speedy Vinyl. So this month we want to be showing our support for breast cancer awareness. So we're going to be running a promotion where we're going to be giving out a transfer that's going to come with every single order, whether it's online or in store. And let me show it to you guys really quick. Hey Joe, you got that transfer?
This one?
Yeah, that's the one I'm looking
Okay.
for. And you guys might know Joe. I don't know, maybe he's from Siser. He's been there for a little while.
Hey everyone, I'm Joe with Siser North America, hanging out here at Speedy Vinyl. Austin, what are we doing?
So this is the transfer we're going to be giving out in every single order, just to try to spread awareness for Breast Cancer Awareness Month this month here in October. Just as our way to kind of give back a little bit, we want to give you guys something that maybe you can make somebody a t-shirt that has been affected by breast cancer in one way or another. This is something that's very important, very important thing to bring awareness to.
Absolutely.
And gracefully, Siser has donated all of the color print easy so that we could produce these, and then we went ahead and printed and made them here in store as kind of a cohort between us to try to just spread awareness and do what we can to help.
And we're honored to be a part of that, so thank you so much for letting us be a part of what Speedy Vinyl's trying to do for everybody. So again, with each order, you're gonna get one of these. It's awesome. It is a custom heat transfer vinyl.
Yep.
So this was done, print and cut. So now you can give it to a loved one that you know that has either been affected with this or to just bring awareness, which is what this month is all about.
Definitely.
So thank you again.
Definitely. Thank you guys so much for supporting us. If you don't know who he is, go search on Siser's videos and you might see one or two with him in there. If you guys have any questions at all, please reach out to us. And again, thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day.